Hey guys, Nick. So just wanted to talk to you a little bit about a review that was left for us today, a Google review. This was posted by Jason. So first of all, this review was just really awesome. It's a rewarding feeling when you get a nice review from customers. And more importantly is that knowing the business we're doing is, genuine and people appreciate it and they're just happy with the whole experience from the product to talking to us. So it's really awesome. Thank you, Jason. Appreciate it. And just want to talk a little bit about some of the points he made. So Jason's looking to rebuild a differential, and it sounds like it might be one of his first ones, or he's just trying to learn how to improve. But anyway, he watched one of Stratman Automotive's videos, saw our tool being used in there. The Stratman brothers are awesome. They do a fantastic job with their truck servicing, rebuilds, everything they do. So yeah, Jason decided to buy a pinion tool. So he placed the order. I saw it come in, gave him a call. I just wanted to learn a little bit more about why he purchased it and then what kind of projects he has going on at home. So something else that is cool is that we write handwritten letters to every order, every customer. And the reason of this is really just to give the business a personality, to make you feel like you're not just sending your money out into space and then something arrives at your door. Hopefully it's good quality. But, with our calls, we get to know you a little bit, and then we send you the letter, usually discussing what we talked about on the phone. So it's cool that Jason was talking about the handwritten letters and that he appreciates that. Also, Jason was talking about the quality of our tool. We take a lot of pride in the quality of our parts, always trying to improve. If there's something that we're not happy with, we will work on, making it better. So the pinion tool's kind of come a long way, but how it's made now is it's laser cut steel plate and then cut round stock. Everything gets sanded and all the surfaces are completely prepped before welding. So then everything is TIG welded. The plate and the round stock are TIG welded together. And then it gets taken to a local zinc plating facility. It gets a gold zinc plate, which looks good and also protects it from corrosion. It's nice also to see that Jason was happy with the product he received. He can see how much effort has gone into it, and he knows it's going to hold up for a long time, which is why we guarantee it for life. So to sum it up, I really just wanted to say thank you, Jason, for the awesome review. Thank you for taking the time to type it all out. It's pretty lengthy, and all the details that you put in there are helpful for us, for growing our business. And also, I hope this video was helpful for anyone who, maybe you were on the edge of buying some other tool or product, a bracket, whatever it is. But you see kind of the way we do the things and you understand why. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for what's next.